Hi guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to discuss a tutorial. There are times in our lives that we want our children tutored by the experts so they may perform better in school, and at times like this you got to hire a tutor to come to your house on certain hours that you have agreed that they may come and tutor your child. So it happens that this tutor was hired to come and tutor this girl who was in class 8. The girl was not doing very well in mathematics, and the parents decided that they would get this tutor to be coming at least 2 hours every afternoon, so to come and tutor the girl. And the tutor was welcome in the home. The day he came to negotiate the price to charge, and they agreed. So the parents are working class as usual. So the person they were getting in the house every afternoon was the house girl and the student. So they would prepare the house girl would prepare their room, and the books. The girl would go there with the books, and they would close the door. And this guy would show the girl the problems that she was having, would try to solve the problems that the girl was having by showing her how to go about improving in her mathematical education. So guys, please like and subscribe to this channel, and this is Never Age TV, guys. Today I'm going to surprise you that one of the days, after a whole 1 week of tutorials, this gentleman comes and as usual goes to the room with the student. And remember, the parents were coming every evening and try to find out how the day was, and especially ask to see the books that their daughter was working on in conjunction with the teacher. So they would see the work they have done for the day, and it was commendable, guys. So this particular day, the tutor comes and as usual goes into the room with the girl, but it so happened that this tutor was having other intentions. The girl was not aware that this teacher is having other intentions. So on getting there, she opened her books as usual and opened the chapter they were supposed to do, and started looking at the teacher to see what the teacher will say they should start with. And the teacher was absent-minded. The teacher was just gazing in space and didn't even tell the girl anything. So this daughter, this girl was very, very, very sad, very worried, and she asked the teacher, "Teacher, what is happening?" And the teacher was like, "Don't worry, I'm okay. Open this and that chapter, let us start." So the girl opens the chapter, and on starting to do the usual thing that they normally do, later found out that the teacher was absent-minded and just looking at her. So she was like, "But teacher, I don't understand you today. Why are you not even showing me the work I should do?" And that is the time that this teacher or tutor rose to his feet and held the hand of the girl and started telling her things that are unpalatable, things that are not of her age, and started misbehaving with this girl towards this girl, and kind of trying to touch the girl in a very it's a very disrespectable way. And this girl was like, "What is happening?" So the girl did not show any interest, and in fact ran out of the room and disappeared. The man tried to run after her, and on reaching the living room, the house girl was like, "What is happening?" And then the teacher was the first to talk and said, "Okay, she's refusing to do the homework." And the girl was like, "No, no, 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 no. I want to call Mama, I want to call Mama." And then the house girl was like, what about? Why are you refusing to do the homework? And then the gentleman was like, yeah, she has just abandoned her books, and here she's running out. So the girl looked for a way of calling the mother, and told her what was, didn't even tell her what was happening, but insisted, Mama, come home, Mama, come home. So when the mother came home in the evening, not the usual time that she gets home, but a bit earlier, obviously the tutor had already left. So the girl narrated to the mother what happened with the tutor and what he was trying to do to her. But all this time, the tutor had not even called the mother to say anything. So the mother calls the house girl and asks, are you aware of this? And then the house girl explained how she saw the girl ran out of the room sweating. And at this point, it's when the mother took the phone and dialed, calling the tutor, who did not respond. And now this mother doesn't know what to do. It is still night. She doesn't know whether to go to the police station. She doesn't know what to do, because had this man picked the phone, he would have explained his case. But you see now, he has refused to explain to pick the phone, and is just listening to one side of the story from the daughter. But the daughter is swearing that she will never want to be tutored by this teacher again. And it is like the whole tutorial session has come to an end. Guys, what do you think? Do you think this is right, that you engage somebody to come and tutor your girl, and you later find out that the teacher had other intentions other than teaching your girl? Do you think it is right to also leave your girl with a gentleman in a room, and in the name of tutoring? Do you think it is worth it? Do you think it is right? So guys, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let us discuss this in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.